Leaf metal box 25. Here. Oh, is he really? Oh, quarterback too. Well, M spot to kick it off. Last spot Mojo. Matt Zollers. All right, let's kick it off. Oh, Matt Zollers green. The M spot Corey G. That's 3 of 7. Ooh, little Bojack, cool purple. So the B spot GB. So 5 of 10. First auto Penny Boone. Green for the P spots, Colin. So 1 of 8. There's the Montaigne. Always count on 1 per case of leaf. The J spot, Colin. 2 of 10. That's a Raheem Sanders. Little State Pride Blue Lava. So the R spot, Colin. That's cool. Well, 9 of 12. Xavier Strepo, so money. So I think he's gonna have a good first year. So the X spot, Colin. So 12 of 12. Closing it out. Big Jeremiah Love. PC for you, Colin. That second love. I think you've hit. So 5 of 12. Fighting Irish. God, we got some good boxes. X. Up. P. And Corey G. Colin cleaning house. Saving for the shug. You guys, little metal 25. Jumping in, everybody fresh. Box is up.